product launch. This is BudgetPaddy. BudgetPaddy is a budget and expense tracking web application, and it's an application where you manage your expenses, you manage your finances, you create budget and then log expenses based on a certain budget that you've created. So to have access to this application, all you need to do is log on to budgetpaddy.vercel.app. So after that, it brings you to this landing page where you have the home, about, contact, documentation, sign in and sign up options. And you see this fancy looking dashboard. This is a sneak peek of what it's like when you create a budget and assign expenses. So this is the sneak peek of what it looks like on the inside. So let's just get right into it, and let's have a feel of what it's like. So as a first time user, all you need to do is create an account, which is the sign up. And for existing user, all you need to do is sign in and just pick it from where you left. So now let's sign up as a new user. So you click on the sign up button. Well, I have created an account, but you being a first time user, you can create accounts using your Facebook account, your GitHub account, your Google account, or you can just fill in your details and create an account, the username, the password, email address, and follow the prompt to get started. So because I already have an account, so all I need to do is click on sign in using my Google account. Say I use this, continue. Alright, so here is my dashboard. I have logged in some expenses before now. So that's why we have this dashboard already populated. And at a glance, you can see I have a budget of say 250,000, a total expenses of 160,000, and I've logged two budgets so far. So and the budgets are educational budgets and shopping budgets. So how do you get started with this? All you need to do is first you create a budget first. So you go to the budget menu, you create new budget. So you see this smiley here. Say I want to create budget around groceries. I can make it look fancier by putting something in line with groceries. Say this shopping cart will fit. So groceries, and say my budget for groceries for the month of July is say 150,000. Yeah, let me just put it groceries July. Yeah, so create budget. All right, there you go. So this is the budget we just created. You click on it to start logging your expenses. Say your first expenses is, say you got um, a pack of juice, a pack of fruit juice. So first one, you say a pack of fruit juice, and the amount is I spent 15,000 to get that. So you just click on add new expenses. So you have it here. So this expenses now has been logged against the budget, the groceries for July that we created earlier. So we can edit it. Maybe it's not groceries for July, maybe it's something else. Maybe you want to give it a different name, or you want to edit the budget. Say maybe, oh, I have a tighter budget. Instead of 150,000, I want to make it 100. You can do the edit, or you want to increase your budget. You can do all that. Yeah, so there's room for editing it, and there's also maybe you enter the groceries accidentally, or that's not what you want to do. So you have the option to delete it and start all over. You can as well delete any expense that you've created. Say you made a mistake, maybe the amount, whatever, you can as well delete and then re-enter. So this is what the expense dashboard look like. This is what the budget dashboard looks like. And this is where your transaction dashboard looks like as well. So you can see my latest expenses here. This is what I just logged. So it's real time, and these are all my budgets so far. And this tells us, what we've spent versus the budget, and what we've spent and what's left. So we know real time what is going on. So it's going to influence our buying decisions as well. So this fancy looking bar chart also is just a representation of what's happening based on our budget. Yeah, that's it. Just feel free to create an account and create budget, log in and expenses, have a feel of it, and tell me what you think about it. All right, thank you for your time. Hope to have you on board as an active user. Bye bye.